Understanding first impressions, a key to effective communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase, first impression. Whether you're in a social gathering, a job interview, or meeting someone for the first time, understanding this concept is crucial. So, let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of first impressions. The term, first impression, refers to the initial perception or judgment you form about someone when you meet them for the first time. This impression is made almost instantly, often within a few seconds. It's based on a variety of factors like appearance, body language, demeanor, and even the way someone speaks. Remember, first impressions are powerful and can have a long-lasting impact. First impressions are important because they set the tone for all future interactions. In professional scenarios, like job interviews or business meetings, a positive first impression can be the difference between success and failure. In personal contexts, it can influence the potential of forming friendships or relationships. It's essential to be aware that people often judge quickly, and these judgments can be hard to change. Several factors influence first impressions. These include appearance, clothes, grooming, and overall look, body language, posture, eye contact, and gestures, verbal communication, tone of voice, clarity, and choice of words, nonverbal communication, facial expressions, and overall demeanor. Understanding and managing these factors can help in making a good first impression. Here are some tips to ensure you make a positive first impression. Dress appropriately, based on the occasion. Be confident. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. Listen actively. Show genuine interest in the other person. Be positive. Maintain a friendly and optimistic attitude. Remember, making a good first impression isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about presenting the best version of yourself. We hope this video helps you understand the significance of first impressions and how to make them count. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.